Hi, Mama's. Mama's like, that's my baby. She's talking to him. Is that your baby? Is that your baby, Mama? All the noises. Hi, Ellie. She's such a good mama. So Justin came in here and rolled the playpen door up. And I didn't know it because I like to be in here when the kittens get put in here for the first time because it's so cute. And I was looking at the camera in the living room and I was like, oh, there's kittens running around in there. I gotta go in there. And he had already let Ellie out. So Ellie didn't get to see the babies come out. She got to come in here just now. So we all got to experience what Mama sees for the first time. She's so talkative. It's so cute. Is that your babies, Ellie? Huh, Mama? Is that your babas? Hmm? All those little chirps is her. And these guys make really high-pitched ones. I don't know if you've been able to hear the babies, but they've been making some noises back at Mama. Hi, Mamas. Oh, see Mama, baby. Oh, Mama, Baba. Oh, see my Baba, huh? She loves Mama. Poor Ellie. They got 4 kids in here, Bubba. Not gonna watch him. Is that your baby? Yes, we are. Probably should get the baby that way. Anyways, thought I'd show a cute little video of mommy seeing the babies out at the playpen. So, till next time, thanks for watching.